sail with style and dive into the wild. Just off the coast of La Paz, the capital of Baja California Sur, is one of the most beautiful, untouched places on Earth. Today we're spending the day sailing to Isla Espiritu Santo, 9 hours on the Sea of Cortez, surrounded by adventure, freedom, and nature at its purest. Espiritu Santo is a protected UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. No hotels, no development, just raw, untouched beauty. Paddleboarding through quiet coves, snorkeling with sea lions, and soaking in the silence. It brings you back to what really matters. La Paz has been a strategic harbor, from pearl divers and explorers to travelers seeking something different. A slower pace and a deeper connection. This stretch of the ocean has been called the Aquarium of the Sea. The Sea of Cortez is home to over 900 species of fish, hundreds of marine mammals, and thousands of years of history. Being out here reminds you how alive this place is, and how close it all is. Just minutes from La Paz. It's days like this that remind you life in Baja Sur is not just about where you live, but how you live. If you've been dreaming about the Baja way of living, let's talk. I'm Tobias Sumanovac with Banca Riveras, and I'll see you on the next one.